Hi everyone, I'm Albie.
I'm Pammy.
And I'm Pivot.
And we're the Toy Kids.
Today we're going to play the Funny Animal Sounds game. The rules of the game are simple. First we pick a funny animal. Then each of us guesses what the funny animal sounds like.
And then we play the animal sound and see if anyone guessed it right.
The three animals we're going to pick today are the platypus, the Komodo dragon, and the armadillo. Okay, Pivot, what do you think a platypus sounds like? I think a platypus sounds like wacka 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 wacka. And how about you, Pammy?
I think a platypus is very quiet. I think it sounds like beep, beep, beep.
And I think a platypus sounds like
And now for everyone watching, what do you think it sounds like?
Okay, now let's see what a platypus really sounds like. Well, I guess that's kind of what I would expect a platypus to sound like. Now let's pick the Komodo dragon. Pivot, what do you think the Komodo dragon sounds like? I think it sounds like... And how about you, Pammy?
I think it probably sounds like this.
I think a Komodo dragon sounds like...
And now for everyone watching, what do you think it sounds like?
Is everyone ready to hear what it really sounds like?
Ready! Wow! What a big sound! I bet all the other animals stay away from him.
Is everyone ready to guess what an armadillo sounds like? I guess an armadillo sounds like... And how about you, Pammy?
I think an armadillo sounds like this.
And I think an armadillo sounds like...
And now for everyone watching, what do you think it sounds like?
Okay, now, let's find out. Wow, I wasn't even close. That was really fun and informative. We should do this again.
Hi everyone! If you'd like to hear more funny animal sounds, then write your suggestions in the comment section below. And if it sounds cool enough, we may even play it in our next funny animal sounds video.